14. Okay, so they give you two sets of number sentences. So I'm just going to go over the first one with you. And then they want you to come up with some kind of generalization about these types of equations. So the first one says 8 divided by a third. So we obviously know that we have to keep, change, and flip. And the answer is going to be 24, right? But if we go down here, 8 times 3, and you know your multiplication facts, the answer is 24. So you really, really have to ask yourself, what is the connection between when we take a number and we divide it by a third versus when we take two whole numbers, well, I should say, we take a digit and then we multiply it 3 times, and what's the relationship? So if we have 8 of something, whether it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we take those somethings, which it's very hard to take circles and put them into thirds. I have no idea why I chose circles. But if I took each one of these circles and I divided them into thirds, which we wouldn't do this, it's actually asking you how many pieces did I cut? And I actually cut 24 1/3 pieces. So even though when you take a whole number and you divide it by a fraction and it looks like the answer became greater, it really didn't, because it's not 24 wholes, it's 24 1/3. And that to me is, it looks like this could be the same, but it's really, really not. Very, very tricky question, I must say. But that's what we do. We ask you tricky questions to make you think and to see connections. And that's it. And that's